you are a potato salad lover and you're following the low FODMAP diet, we've got several recipes for you. This one is in a creamy base with mayonnaise and Dijon mustard, and it features peas. You may not think that peas are low FODMAP, and it is true that different types of peas have different amounts of FODMAPs. All of this is explained in the recipe. I like using frozen peas for their color and their texture, although you have to use a smaller amount. Very important to pay attention to the serving sizes. Then we've got red, waxy potatoes. Those are the texture that you want when it comes to buying the potatoes. And don't skimp on the fresh chives. They really bring the dish all together. It's a great potluck dish. You'll know you have something to eat at the party.